Hey, Bran,
What?
you will go out?
Yeah.
You have money?
No.
Can you buy me, you know the milk powder that
I
you,
just said I don't.
the milk powder you
I just
always
said I
bought?
don't.
Buy 2 pieces.
Yes, I don't.
Bye, I will pay you later.
I don't have money. How about you pay me later?
Just go in the dukan, ask credit.
Debit.
Two, two, 2 pieces. You know the Dano powder milk?
Yes, I know.
Even 2 pieces. I want to make the banana shake.
You want a shake?
Yeah, I want to drink for the iftar. I don't want to make juice.
You'll come or no?
No, he will not come in iftar, but maybe he will come in the night.
Why? I didn't want to come.
Did you hear what I said? Just 2 pieces. Pambihirang bahay, walang ka-stock-stock na powder milk. Powder soap, mayroon marami. Is powder, is powder. Spicy powder, marami. Pero pag powder milk, wala. Ano yan? Edgar Sky Official. Kabisat sa lido, may breakfast tayo, kakabisat. Yan na lang, shout out po. Thanks for joining.
Don't give bones to the cat. Good job.
We finished already. Gagamitin ko, ihalo ko sa banana shake. Ayaw ko gamit ng walang fresh milk. Marami kasing saging, baka magkasira-sira. Ay, ang laki ng bahay ng Edgar Sky Official. Dan, connected na pala ako sa'yo. Ay, Pilipino ba to? Hindi. Burawan. Ay, Pinoy pala. Akala ko Apam. Apam. Dan, connected na pala ako, matagal na. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Yan, thank you for joining my live. Ha? Ganun ba? Okay, sa mga gusto mag-live dyan, lundag na kayo. May iba pa bang nag-live dyan? Pwede na kayong lukso-lukso. Lukso-tinik. Lukso-tinik. Mag-jump-jump. Insaktuhan ko lang siya na 2 buwan.